So you want to start taking action, creating content, getting your offer in front of people, but you aren't sure exactly who your target audience is, or really what a target audience is, or even why they matter. But one way or another, it's holding you back from really taking action, from committing and getting results. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and in this video, I'm going to help you get crystal clear on who your target audience is and help you understand how to use this information to start making sales. Now, if this is the first time you are finding our channel, we created this channel to help you, online entrepreneurs, create the time freedom that you and your family truly deserve. So if that is what you are looking for, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. So let's start off pretty simple. What's a target audience? Your target audience are the people you are looking to help and serve. These are not just people who need your product or your service, but people who are actually likely to take out their credit cards and make an actual purchase. This distinction is important to understand because we hear this from a lot of folks. When they are asked who their product or service is for, they say, everyone needs this. That is a bad answer. Even if you're selling a nutritional product that virtually cures all diseases, it's still not for everyone. There are couch potatoes out there who don't care about their health, and even more people that say they care about their health but aren't willing to put their money where their mouth is. And any time spent trying to market to these people will be a big waste of your time. There's an old saying in marketing that is still very relevant today. If you are marketing to everyone, you are marketing to no one. What does this mean? Let's look at a couple examples for someone who's trying to market a healthy meal prepping service. Let's look first at a message that's trying to market to everyone. Everyone needs to be healthy, right? Most people are short on time, so this would be a really inclusive message. Something like, healthy, delicious, done-for-you meal so you can eat better and lose weight. Mildly interesting, right? But not necessarily something worth clicking on. Now compare that message to the following, where we are very specifically talking to a target audience. Let's get real. Life is crazy. You're not a kid anymore, and you don't have the time or the energy to focus on yourself or losing those extra pounds. You're running kids to school, soccer, homework, feeding, bathing, etc., and you barely have time to sleep, let alone time or energy to plan out healthy meals and actually cook them. But what if all of that was taken care of for you? So you're not fretting about it or having to dedicate a bunch of time and energy to meal planning and prep, but you can simply just eat and lose the weight. Lose those extra 30 pounds or more that you've been carrying around since having kids. That is a much stronger message. Who is it talking to? Moms, obviously. Busy moms who know they need to lose weight but don't have the time or energy to do it the traditional way. How likely is it that a worn out mom who needs help to finally lose weight will click the button to learn more if they see that message? Pretty good, right? Because they felt like that message was directly talking to them, that this company totally got them and could actually help them where they need it. Now, did that message talk to college students? Nope. People without kids? Nope. Grandparents? Nope. Could all those people use healthy, done-for-you meals? Sure. But no, it didn't talk to them. It focused down to a specific target audience, so it spoke to their pain points and their goals, so they would actually be moved to take the next step, to take action. This is exactly why you can't be scared to really narrow down your target audience. When you have too broad of a target audience, your message is watered down, and no one feels like you're talking specifically to them, so they won't take action. When you just focus on your target audience, your message will resonate loud and clear, and they'll feel like you truly know them and that you are talking directly to them. So yes, this does mean that in order to attract your target audience, you will also end up repelling other people who don't fit your target audience. And that is okay. If a college student heard the ad above that was specifically for busy moms, would that attract them? No, it could repel them. Yes. As they're in a different point in life and they could feel like this company just doesn't really get them. And that is okay. Now, some ground rules before I walk you through figuring out your specific target audience. People often ask about having more than one target audience. Yes, that is possible, but you should only have one target audience per marketing channel. So that would be one target audience for your Facebook group, one target audience for your YouTube channel, etc. But please understand that you should only really focus on one target audience when you're getting started. You'll have enough of a learning curve in front of you just to become profitable in one. So don't spread yourself too thin and extend that learning curve by trying to do more. And don't be scared to commit to a target audience. It's not marriage. It's not a lifelong commitment. Your target audience will change over time as you grow and change. And it's just fine. Our target audience has changed a few times already in just the few short years that we've had our business. You just have to start somewhere. So let's go through the following questions to help you flesh out your target audience. And please understand that you really have to know these people. So it will be easier if they are very much like you. So looking at yourself is a good place to start. I hope you have a pen and paper handy, as you should be writing this down as we go through it. So what's the general age range that you're looking for? And don't say 18 to 65. Be more specific. People who are 18 have very different thoughts than someone who's 65 years old. Is it someone in their 30s dealing with family and careers, or someone in their 50s dealing with empty nests and looking towards retirement? So what ages are you focused on? What is their education level? Basic high school education, or maybe someone who's been through some higher education? What kind of jobs do they have? Are they blue collar workers who work with their body, work with their hands, and so they're going to have all the aches and pains that come with that? Or are they professionals that work in an office all day trapped inside? What are their interests? Are they kind of geeky? Love Lord of the Rings and Star Wars? Guilty. Or do they love outdoors activities, fishing, hiking, hunting? Also guilty. Who do they follow on social media? What kinds of groups for Facebook are they in? What kind of channels or pages do they follow? Are they in a cooking, recipe, or fitness group on Facebook? Do they follow Juggling the Jenkins page on Facebook because it really resonates with the crazy mom life? What is most important to them? Spending time with family, maybe personal development, their health, their faith? What are their goals or aspirations, and why? Are they working on running a marathon because to them it means that they've finally reached a peak level of performance? Or are they building an online business to replace their full-time income so that they can be stay-at-home parents with their kids? What causes them anxiety? What do they fear? Do they fear failure, just one more failed attempt to lose weight? Do they fear missing out on the precious memories with their kids or grandkids as they grow up too fast while they're off working? What problems or challenges do they face? Are they looking at retirement in a few years but don't have enough saved or invested? Are they struggling with confusion on exactly what they need to do to reach their goal? Are they struggling with self-doubt or time management? What pains are they trying to avoid? Maybe they want to avoid the pain of going to the gym, or of spending all day obsessing over food. Or maybe they're trying to avoid chronic health issues, or they want to avoid wasting time trying to figure out what will work for them. Now that you know exactly who you are targeting, with every post that you make, and with every video that you shoot, and with every email that you send, you should focus on these specific people. That is how you create loyal, raving fans that buy everything you offer them. With this knowledge of how to create loyal, raving fans, next, I'm going to show you how you can easily leverage these fans to get to 6 figures a year in your business. You should see a video in the upper right corner of your screen or at the top of the description. Watch this video next. Click this video to watch it, as I'll be laying out for you how to leverage your fans and your audience to get to 6 figures a year as quickly as possible. Again, this is Leah Rae from toddandleahrae.com, and I'll see you soon.